Welcome to part 2 in the manufacture of this small accessory for the lathe, a centre drill holder. I was looking at some of the comments on the video I posted last night, and one or two people said you can buy a blank arbor. You can. There's a one there. That's a number 3 blank most taper arbor. You can buy tools as well. Nice and soft. You can machine them. They're not expensive to buy, but the broken drill's basically free. Right, what we need to do now is find the middle of that and drill and tap a hole in there for a grub screw. I'll probably use 4mm. We'll have to find some method of mounting that in the milling machine vise. This is one way I thought about mounting it. We simply put that in the vise. Use a square on the end. And then simply put a machinist jack under the end of there. Just to take a little bit of load. Then that could be drilled and tapped. One way of doing it. It's not the way I'm going to do it, but it is one way of doing it. That goes into that sleeve. I can put into that sleeve, which is a Morse to R8 adapter. And all I can do, I can simply put it in the vise like that. And that's lying nice and square and flat on the vise. Nip it up. Once again, I'll put my machinist jack under the end of it just to support it. And I'll be able to drill and tap that quite merrily. We'll put the square on the end to have a look at it. It can't be anything else parallel because it's inside that parallel adapter. I mean, you could put a clamp on there, you could really go to town on this, but all I want to do is drill a little hole in there so I can put the 4mm tap through. Right now we need to find the centre of that. Once again, there's one or two methods of doing it. You could use an edge finder. You could also put the centre drill in and you can eyeball it with a point on the end of there, and you can get that within a couple of thou. That's the way I'm going to do it actually. I've shown this before. It's my Starrett edge finder or Starrett wiggler. It's the one I got given. It's got various different shaped probes in it. That's the one I want, the one with a point on the end. Goes into the drill chuck like that. Little nip on it. It will start the machine up. Now it's wobbling about. Has to be standing still, so that's running true with the axis of the machine. So all we need to do now is line the tip of that up with the tip of that drill, and that will put us in the centre of there within probably less than 1/1000 of an inch. You can get it that accurate. Right, hopefully you should be able to see the end of the point against the drill. Still run nice and true. I'm actually looking through the back of the camera here, and you can see how you can get that. Right, that's absolutely right in the middle there. Now look the axis off. Put a mark in with a centre drill first. Right, there's enough meat on there to do with M5. So I've got the tapping drill for M5 here, which I keep in the box with the taps. It's only used for that particular purpose. the drill running nice and fast because it is a small drill. I use the machine on the rundown, start it and then stop it just to get the tap started, and then finish it off by hand. I'll put a plug tap in just to make sure I have got a full thread. And you can put a centre in there to keep it lined up, but it was started straight, so it's not gonna wander off. Very good, nice thread in there. I'm just running the reamer back through the hole just to clean it out. I've ground a flat onto the centre drill just so the grub screws got something to bite onto and stop it spinning. I'll put a bit of metal in the chuck, face it off, and we'll give it a try, see what happens. That's the tool finished. You could probably make it in the same time it's taking you to watch these couple of short videos. If you watch my videos, you'll probably watch Keith Fenner's video. Keith's does a series called a toolbox giveaway. He did one last year, and what I'll do with this, I'll put it in a package and I'll post it off to him, and he can put this into his toolbox.